In the heart of the city, a door swings wide. Not just open, but inviting, calling all to step inside. Here, art is not a possession, it's a gift, a shared breath, a space where curiosity blossoms and creativity takes root. To the families who carry stories, to the creators sketching visions, to the elders bearing wisdom, and to the children filled with wonder, this is for you. This is not just a museum. It's a sanctuary of welcome, a bridge between generations, a celebration of perspectives woven together in the tapestry of San Diego, reminding us that art belongs to all of us. This door is open to you, to your family, your joy, your curiosity. Here, there is no gate, only a pathway lined with inspiration, lit by the promise of discovery. Come as you are.